Croeso I Coleg Merthyr Tydfil.
Welcome to the College Merthyr Tydfil.
We're really close to town as well.
Here, come with us and we'll show you around our lovely college and meet all the wonderful staff.
This is Julia. Bore da, Julia.
Bore da. Croeso I Coleg Merthyr. Welcome to the College in Merthyr. So I'm Julia and I'm the main receptionist at the college. And a fun fact about me is that I love going to the gym every day and keeping fit.
Thank you, Julia. Can you please let Claire know that we are here?
Yes, of course. All right. Oh, hi Claire. I just arrived at the reception for you. Thank you.
Thank you. And the ILS in the name stands for Independent Living Skills. And the reason why the doors are locked is to keep staff and students safe, making this one of the safest sections in all the college.
Hi, I'm Claire, Head of Independent Living Skills and ALM. Come on in.
Thank you. This is the ILS that I was previously just talking about. And here we learn many things, but the most important part of it is learning to be independent and living on your own. Here we learn how to cook, clean, and sometimes you might even get to find out how you can rent your own place.
Okay, we've got a fantastic staff at the College Merthyr Tudful. So as I said, I'm Claire, and what you need to know about me, I love to sing and dance and have a bit of fun. Now let's meet the rest of the team. So this is the office in ILS, and that's where I'm based, and this is my team.
Hi, I'm Richard. I'm the College Transition Officer. My job is to work with Year 10 and 11 students in the schools in the area to help them transition into college.
Shemai, I'm Maleri. I'm the Additional Learning Needs Coordinator here at Merthyr College. And fun fact about me, I am a Welsh speaker.
There's more staff you need to meet. Let's meet Kate.
Hi, my name's Kate Payne. I'm the ILS coordinator. My job is to make sure everything runs smoothly and the learners have a safe place in ILS. You'll often see me popping into classes and you'll probably see me first at your interview. So I look forward to seeing you soon.
But as we all know, the college is nothing without support staff, so let's meet them, shall we? This is our support staff.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm one of the support workers in ILS. I'm one of two in the class with me and Anna. We will meet and greet you in the mornings in the atrium and take you up to breakfast club, so we'll stay with you until you come down to class.
Hi, I'm Anna. As a learner support, we make sure that you go home safely and we wait with you at the end of the day, every single day.
Hi, I'm Katie, and our role is to supervise at breaks and dinners and get them interacting with each other instead of being on their phones.
Hi, I'm Jane, and my role is to interact with all the students and for them to achieve the best they can.
So this is the social space where all three classes meet up and socialise, play games like table tennis, PS5, puzzles, colouring, and we all just get to talk and get to know each other.
These are our lovely toilets. This is our lovely kitchen where we do our cooking sessions with our classes.
And this here is the computer room, where we'll sometimes do work on the computers